Hey guys, a lot of times I get asked this question, what do I do for ear infections? A very simple $2 solution. You can either go to the grocery store or go to the health food store. And what you want to do is you want to buy garlic oil. Okay, garlic oil. And all you do is you take 1 drop, put it in the ear that you have an infection. If it's both, you can put it in the other ear and let it kind of drain in there, just a small little drop. And then just go to sleep. And in the morning, like you're going to feel, it feels really good. So you can do this each day for like 3 days in a row, because garlic has an incredible anti-infection, anti-yeast, antimicrobial property that will kill off the bad stuff, but none of the good stuff. It's very safe, there's no side effects, and especially even if you have itching in the ear from a past infection. So I highly recommend it. Go ahead and apply this and share your comments below.